Quadratic equation standard 10. Let's see the first quadratic equation of standard 10. Equation is x square plus 13x plus 13 is equal to 0. Now we can see that this equation is a quadratic equation where x is having index 2, then the coefficient of x is with 13 and the constant term is 30. Now first of all we have to see the two signs, and the signs are the sign before the constant term is plus. It indicates that we need to do addition. It means this sign indicates we need to do addition, and the sign before the coefficient of x shows the plus sign. This sign indicates that the both products are positive in sign. The constant term sign shows the addition, and the middle sign shows that both the products that we'll get afterwards both are in positive in sign. So let's move further and find the factors of 30. 30 is in the table of 5 into 6, and if we add we get addition plus 11. 30 is also in the table of 15. 15 into 2 is equal to 30, and if we add these two products we will get answer positive 17. 30 is also in the table of 30 itself. 30 ones are 30. If we add these two products we will get answer positive 31. Positive 30 is also in the table of 10. 10 into 3 gives you 30, and if you add these two products you will get positive 30. Now you can check the middle number, the coefficient of x with 13. That means we get the products are 10 and 3. So here they are. Positive 10 and positive 3 are the factors that we were searching for. If we multiply them we get answer 30, and if you add them we get answer positive 13. So let's solve the quadratic equation. X square as it is. Now we will split up 13x into positive 10x plus positive 3x plus 30 is as it is equal to 0. Now next step is x into x plus 10 into x plus 3 into x plus 30 will be divided again 10 into 3 equal to 0. We have split up this equation into the simpler factors x into x plus 10 into x plus 3 into x plus 10 into 3 is equal to 0. Then let's find out the common factors between these two terms. In the first and second term we can see that x is common and it is shown with the red sign. So x is common here, so x plus 10 is left in the bracket. In the next two terms we can see the color, the blue color is having 3, so 3 is common over here, 3 is common, so x plus 10 is left behind equal to 0. Now we can see that x plus 10 is twice, so we will take it once, and x plus 3 we will write together in the bracket is equal to 0. Now next step is x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to minus 3. The sign, the positive side 10 will be shifted on the other side. That's why we get answer minus 10, and 3 is also shifted on the other side, so that we get answer negative 3. So x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to minus 3 are the factors of given quadratic equation. Now let's move toward the new equation, quadratic equation, that is x square minus 13x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now you can check that the middle sign is now in negative sign. The equation is different, the numbers are same but the equations are different. So what to do here? First of all, we have to check the sign before the constant number term, that is 30, and it is plus sign. This sign indicates that we need to do addition only. Now let's go to the middle sign. Middle sign indicates minus. It means that both the products are in negative in sign. That means we have to do addition. At the same time, both factors should be in negative sign. So let's find out the factors. 30 is in the table of again 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30, both are minus sign, and if you add them you'll get answer negative 11. Let's move further. 30 is also in the table of 15. Minus 15 into minus 2 is equal to 30, and if you add them we get minus 17. 30 is also in the table of 30. 30 ones are 30, both are negative sign, and if you add them you'll get answer negative 31. 30 is also in the table of minus 10 and minus 3. So if you add them we'll get answer negative 30. Now you can check in the middle term. We want minus 13, and here we got minus 13 as a product of 30 as minus 10 into minus 3. So let's see. 30, the factors of 30 are negative 10 and negative 3. So let's solve the equation. X square as it is. Now 13 will be splitted into minus 10x minus 3x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now x square will be split up into x minus 10 into x minus 3 into x plus 10 into 3 is equal to 0. Now here we can forget the sign and just write the factors of 30 as 10 into 3. No need to write the negative sign. Now let's find out the common factors between first two terms and the last two terms. Here we are. X is red in sign, that means it's common both the terms, so x is common. X minus 10 is left with us. Negative 3 is common in the next two terms. Negative 3 will write negative 3. X minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 is common for both, so we'll write once, and x minus 3 will write in the bracket is equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, this minus 10 will be shifted on the other side, so we'll get positive 10, or x is also 3 shifted on the other side, that's why x is equal to 3. So here we are, the answer or the factors of x square minus 13x plus 30 is equal to 0 are x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 3.